So, hello guys. So, this is our room here in Seymour. This is hotel number 2 na tinistayhan namin. So, that's the rubbish bin, mga bag namin. And this is our room. And yeah, bedside table, chairs, and little sofa. Ayan. And yung entrance and mirror, of course, and we have TV. So, mag-room tour tayo guys, saglit. In our bags, mga gamit namin. We have a heater we bought from Reject Shop. Nag-charging ako guys. And dito yung mga pagkain namin. Bumili ako ng rice, anchovy. We have a bread and coffee. Fridge, microwave, and a jug and wardrobe. Ayan, maglaba ako mamaya guys. And dito tayo sa toilet and the shower. So this is it. That's the toilet. And that's the shower here. So if you ask me guys, ang room na to is I think 133 per night. So that's it. Walang masyadong laman guys kasi kumakain kami sa labas, and ayan, pang snacks lang yan in case we get hungry at the middle of night or night time, pang snacks ba. Tapos may kape naman sila dun guys. Tapos may yung milk na yan yung binigay dito sa hotel. In microwave, and we have extra pillows and blankets. And here is the cabinet. Tugnaw mga guys, wait, yeah, plates, of course, mga kutsara dyan. Then on top, I cannot see it na, sorry. It's the basin. Ano pa ba? May bread toaster pala. And then meron silang binigay na sabon. Ganito pala guys, sabon yan pang wash your hands. And yung shower pala guys, is shower and shampoo dyan na. So it is good. So yeah, that's pretty it guys. And yeah, so this side is my side, and this side is Mr. sides, my husband's sides. And okay, there is. Yan guys, yan yung nirentahan namin na car. Si Mr. nandun sa labas. Okay, so that's pretty it guys. So yeah, pangalawang hotel na to, and yeah, that's it. Nice bedroom. So alright, yan ang ating quick room tour. So ito, nanonood ako ng TV guys. Ayan.